There's a country that pays international students up to 7,000 euros a year just to study there. It's called Italy, and almost nobody or everybody is talking about it. Yes, when we think of Italy, we think of pasta, pizzas, and centuries old art, isn't it? But it's also a home to some of the oldest and most respected universities in the world, offering degrees at a fraction of what you would pay in US, UK, Australia, Canada, world class education, a lower cost of living, and an actual lifestyle worth living while you study. Isn't it interesting? Let's start with where you could study. The University of Bologna isn't just old, it's the oldest university in the Western world, founded in 1088 AD, and still one of the best for law and humanities. Everybody has heard about Politecnico di Milano. It is Italy's top technical university. If architecture, design, or engineering excites you, this is where the world's best go. Sapienza University of Rome and the University of Padua are massive research universities with huge English taught course lists. And if business, finance, or luxury brand management is your goal, Bocconi University in Milan is genuinely one of the best in the world for it. And here's the part that surprises most students: you don't need to speak Italian. Hundreds of bachelor's and master's programs are taught fully in English, from engineering and sustainable design to business and luxury management to even medicine and surgery. Full medical degrees in English at public universities. Now, remember that number from the start. Here's where it comes from. Regional scholarships called DSU are based on your family's income and not just your grades. Qualify and you could get your tuition fully waived, free accommodation, free meals at the university canteen, and a cash stipend of up to 6 or 7,000 euros a year. Wow! On top of that, MECI scholarships fund international masters and PhD students directly through the Italian government, and top universities like Milan and Bologna offer their own merit-based fee waivers. Also, University of Pisa gives a merit-based scholarship. While you study, you can also work legally. Non-EU students can work up to 20 hours a week, capped at 1040 hours a year. Think tutoring in English, hospitality jobs in Rome, Florence, or Milan, or on-campus roles in university libraries and labs. These are all part-time jobs which you can do while studying. Just one thing to sort out the moment you land: a Codice Fiscal, your Italian tax code, without which you can't sign a single work contract. But beyond the classroom, this is where true Italy stands apart. You are not just getting a degree, you are living inside centuries of art, food, fashion, and design, walking past buildings older than most countries. It changes how you see things. Ask anyone who is studied here. It's not just an education, it's completely different way of experiencing the world at 20. And when your degree ends, Italy doesn't send you home. Graduates can convert their study permit into job search permit, up to 12 months to find work in Italy or anywhere in the EU with a degree recognized across Europe and also around continents. World-class university, a fraction of the cost, real work experience, a life you will never forget. That's Italy. Comment Italy and I will send you the profile evaluation checklist, and hit subscribe button for our next destination spotlight.